everyone, I'm so excited. It's because it's snowing outside. Usually I didn't get the chance to see the snow because I'm sleeping or either I miss it. And now I'm gonna show you it's cold that there is snowing here. See, there you go. It's snowing. And I also recorded the snow with my GoPro. Here it is. Beautiful when the snow gets flat on the ground. We would like to see it and capture it. Very cold, and I don't know how long the snow's going to last. Hopefully we're going to have a lot of snow, even though I don't like the snow, but I just want to go and vlog it. So my fellow Filipino in the Philippines, at least they get the chance to see it even in just in the video, because I know they love to see this. Let's see here in the front door. Look, I still didn't take off my Christmas floor mat.